Property disputes arise when someone does something to affect somebody else's land. That can either be a boundary dispute or perhaps a right-of-way dispute. Although boundary disputes on the surface can often appear to be straightforward, in my experience, even the most simple ones can often blow up into something much more serious. For example, let's consider a boundary dispute. That could be where your neighbour takes down the fence and moves it to a different position. The dispute will then be where the boundary lies between your property and your neighbour's property. From a legal standpoint, there are a number of things that you need to take into account. Firstly, there is the plans to the property that you need to examine carefully. Secondly, you need to apply the relevant law. The relevant law can either be common law or statutes. The areas of law don't always agree with each other, and assessing who's in the right is seldom clear-cut. People take boundary disputes very personally, often seeing it as an infringement of their personal space. Where land is involved, people can often act irrationally. This means that they're prepared to spend thousands of pounds on a dispute over land that isn't necessarily worth that amount of money. This can lead to unnecessary fees, and it can also ruin relationships between people. Remember that you're going to have to live next door to your neighbour once the dispute is over. We can provide you with realistic expectations of what you can hope to achieve and to provide proportional advice to get the best resolution for you. Our team at Nelson's are specialists in resolving property disputes quickly and calmly. Our advice to anyone involved in a property dispute is to seek sound legal advice before they do anything. Pick up the phone, have a chat with us and find out how you can get properly informed about your dispute.